What do the grooms need to avoid just before the wedding? First tip, any new haircut or beard do. Well, this is not the time to experiment. Stick to something which you are used to, which has worked in your past, and which makes you look more confident. Any new thing experimented on the last minute may not agree with the look which you decided. So stick on to what you look great in. Second is self-tanning. If you have got pigmentation and you've forgotten to, kind of make any heat towards it, and you feel that the pigmentation is standing out and you want to do something about it yourself, self-tanning methods like any kind of cream or maybe something you buy from the internet and use it may not be the right choice at that last hour, because it may give you allergies, may increase the pigmentation, it may not be the right product for you. So do not experiment anything of that sort. The third is any new skin product. Well, skin product, like I always say, takes some time to settle in your skin. According to the skin type, you need to have a knowledge of what skin product agrees with you. Last 1 month is not the time for that. Too much of a risk and experimentation may just react your skin into an allergy, irritation, and sometimes, it may just put everything wrong when you're already into stress, already in the hustle of winding up things for the wedding. We do not want to take that risk at all. Fourth is extreme grooming in the form of facial waxing, facial bleaching, or maybe something which you are not used to and you've never done. Do not do that. Last minute waxing usually gives a face irritation, sometimes a rash you can break out into, and we do not want that. Again, same goes for facial bleaching. The chemicals, if you're not used to, you've never done, try not to do it in the last minute. Avoid too much of alcohol and sugary foods, or in fact salty foods, because that leads to dehydration, puffy bags, and even bloating on the face. You may not look slim and sharp, and that's why take it in moderation. Maybe do not experiment it or have too much of it in your parties, pre-wedding parties, too much. Extreme sun exposure, absolutely avoid. How much ever your shoots may be, try to make use of sunscreen. Make sure you're covered with good layers and a sun hat, or maybe expose for a very little time, but not too much, because that pigmentation shows. And if in case you get a sunburn because of your sun exposure, you may actually just get pigmentation, irritation, redness, and quite a lot of skin can look damaged on that day. You saw that what all things you must avoid, but instead of that, it's always good to be in touch with your dermatologist. Take a proper consultation about 3 to 6 months in advance, so that your dermatologist can work on your skin glow inside out by strategically putting skin treatments in place according to your skin issues. There may be pigmentation, there may be scars, you may be wanting hair removal from the face in the form of a shaped beard. All of these can be done if you contact them 3 months or 6 months in advance. And yes, groom skincare is quite in, and people do connect to us just before the wedding. That's extremely important. And with this, you'll be ensured that you get a very radiant skin, and you will walk down the aisle looking confident and sharp.